Are you worried about your child's upper Chinese primary composition examinations? Our Chinese Composition Intensive Revision course, specially designed for primary 5 and 6 students, is now available online. The course covers picture composition, topic-based composition, and composition completion, providing comprehensive preparation for all major composition formats. Through 9 focused lessons, students will receive the final boost they need before their examinations. Each lesson includes 3 carefully selected practice exercises based on past year examination questions. Students will learn step-by-step techniques for analyzing questions, generating ideas, and organizing content to produce high-scoring compositions. Whether it is describing a picture vividly or developing an engaging storyline, they will gain a clear and effective writing framework. The course also includes model compositions to demonstrate strong writing techniques and logical development. As a bonus, students will receive a collection of versatile vocabulary and sentence structures that can be applied across a wide variety of composition topics. All exercises come with detailed voice explanations and answer discussions, helping students write with confidence and perform at their best during examinations. Join our Chinese Composition Intensive Revision course today and help your child make writing simpler, more effective, and more enjoyable.